Alex, are you gonna crawl? Yeah. Crawl. Crawl by Mama. Come here. Come here. Good job. What a big boy. Oh, what's that? Are those your wipes? Are those your wipes? Those for your butt? Yeah. Wipies. You're gonna come by Mama? Come on. Come on. Good job. Mama's tricking you. Huh? Hi. Oh my. So loud. What's that? Is that your pumpkin box? Oh, are you looking at the tape? Yeah, you're looking at the tape. He says, what's that, Mama? What's that, Mama? Pig! Where are you gonna go? What? What? Are you getting the tape? Let's come over by your toys. Come on. Come over by the toys. Come here. Come on. Come here, Bean. Oh, are you going to stop at the boxes on your way? Oh, Mama just hit some of your toys. What are you looking at? Oh, you want your racer girlfriend. Turn this light on. Here. Come here. Come here, buddy. Come on. Come on. Oh, you see the fan? Come on. Oh, I see Turtle. Come get him. Come on, come get him. Good job. Oh, when your straps came off. And then when your straps came off your new outfit. Yeah. I was going to fix it. There. Did you find your turtle? You found your turtle! Uh-oh. Hiccup. he is. Oh, you want your close up? I'm going to stand up. Here he comes. Yee! Yee! No, that's the camera. Say hi, everybody. Can you wave? Do this. Show everybody how you wave. No. Ah. Oh my. Hey. No. I'm going to sit you down there. I'm going to fix your little bibs again here. Hey. You need to stay in the picture. What are you doing? Want to stand up? Here, you stand up. Show them how you do it. Alex. No. Buddy, I can't. Okay. Say, all done, movie. No. All done, movie.